Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So to get started, you'll need to grab a cable, plug it into your computer, and then just have it ready. Next, on your phone, gonna swipe down from the top of our screen twice, press on the power button, and select power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold power button and the volume up at the same time, and the moment you start holding these two buttons, you're gonna plug it in. So I'm gonna hold them right now, plug it in. When you see Galaxy, now let go of the power button, and when you see the recovery mode, which is this page right here, you can let go of both of the buttons, or well, volume up at that point, and also you can unplug the cable. It was only needed to get us into this mode. Next, using volume buttons, you want to scroll down and select Wipe Cache Partition, and then confirm it using your power button. Select Yes. And as you can see, it's already finished. At the bottom, you can see it says Cache Wipe Complete. Reboot system now is selected by default, so we're just going to press power button. This will reboot the device and bring us back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.